Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to upload YouTube videos to TikTok. To get started, you will need a screen recorder installed on your phone. If you don't already have one, you can download one from your device's app store. Once the screen recorder is ready, open it and start recording your screen. Next, open the YouTube app and navigate to the video you want to upload to TikTok. Play the video and let it run from start to finish while the screen recorder captures it. Make sure you do not interrupt the recording during this process. After the recording is complete, stop the screen recorder and save the video file. Now, open the TikTok app on your phone. Ensure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Once logged in, tap the plus sign at the bottom center of the screen to begin uploading a video. From here, tap the Upload option, which allows you to select a video from your device. Locate the video you recorded and select it. After selecting the video, you will be taken to the editing screen. If needed, you can trim the video to adjust its length. TikTok has a time limit, so make sure the video fits within the allowed duration. If trimming isn't necessary, you can skip this step and proceed by tapping Next. On the next screen, you can add a title to your video, describe its content, or include hashtags to help it reach a broader audience. Take your time to write a clear and engaging title. When you're ready, tap the Post button to upload the video to TikTok. That's how you can take a YouTube video and upload it to TikTok. This process is simple and effective for sharing content across platforms. It's important to only upload videos to TikTok that you either own the copyright to or have explicit permission to post. This ensures that you respect intellectual property laws and avoid potential issues like content removal, account warnings, or legal consequences. Always create original content or seek proper authorization before sharing copyrighted materials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.